Open and remove the door trim panel. Unscrew the screws of the fixed lock and remove the original lock. The main driver needs to remove the lock. Remove the inner and external pull wire of the door handle. Remove the rivet of the lock with electric drill or grinding wheel and separate the original lock. Line the country unit into JOOTOON lock. After adjusting the mechanical lock to the full lock position, clamp the buckle and tighten the screw. Fix the upgraded lock assembly on the door. The main driver is still the lock. When electricity connected, positive is connected to normal and negative connected to the negative wire. After installation, do the door closing test. If there is no problem, then install the door trim panel.